The cracking sounds produced in the joints. Basically, is cracking sound in your knuckle bad for the joint or not? The simple answer is no, as long as the joint does not have pain, swelling, or stiffness. The reason for this sound is because of the accumulation of the air bubbles which get burst during the movement of the joint. So that causes the cracking of the joint. Now, अगर हमारी नी जॉइंट, एंकल जॉइंट, इनमें कुछ ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिक चेंजेस हैं या कुछ अंडरलाइंग मेनिस्कस या लिगामेंट टीयर्स हैं, if that is accompanied by cracking sounds or popping sound or snapping sound, so that needs to be seen by an orthopedic surgeon. That is not normal. Thank you.